Hi, I'm going to show you how I do this double increase. See where this marker's at? That's where I need to do the increase, as I've been doing since I started on this shoulder of a top-down Raglan cardigan. I'm going to get over there, and this can be done American style, which I'm demonstrating right now, or continental style with the yarn in your left hand, which is how I'm actually going to do it. When I get to the marked stitch, I'm going to increase on both sides of it. That's how I'm going to get an increase of 2 stitches every time I pass this spot on the right side of the garment. Okay, so the strand that hangs between the stitch prior to the marked stitch, I'm going to hang that up on the needle, and I'm going to knit it through the back. Sometimes I have to creep over the top to get it. There, I knitted that once. Now I knit the stitch itself, and then I'll knit another one right afterwards. So I hung up the strand between 2 stitches right here, hang that on the left needle, and knit into the back of it. And sometimes I just creep over the top of the needle to get there, just like that. So basically that one stitch has become 3. I've added a stitch on each side of it, and then I just carry on along the way. So that's how I'm doing the central double increase at 4 spots along the shoulder portion of this cardigan. I'll lay it out and point them out to you here when I get to the end of the row. Now sometimes when I get close to the end of the row where the button band is located, I have this green marker there showing me where to switch to the button band stitches. Sometimes when I get there I try to make an increase, but an increase doesn't belong there, so that marker is intended to remind me don't increase right now. I'm at the end of the row, got a couple more stitches, and then I'll lay this out and show you where I did those double increases. The tail end of the row, I'm bringing the yarn forward and slipping the last stitch. That's how I get this nice little chain stitch look to the edge. Okay, so that's all finished. I'm going to back up the camera a little bit. And now you'll see I'm working this top-down raglan, and at the top of each shoulder, here's one shoulder here. See these 2 light blue markers? And then the other shoulder over here has 2 pink markers. Those are the 4 spots where I'm doing 2 increases per right side row. So every time I pass here and here, I'm going to increase twice, and also over here. And my pattern is called That Other Sweater. This is based on a sweater that I kept seeing in advertisements, and then I would see people saying, oh, does anybody know where to get the pattern? So I decided to write up the pattern so that people will be able to get it. Anyway, it makes great use of self-patterning yarn, like this Earth Unique worsted that's changing colors every now and then. Makes great use of that, and also it's just a fun, simple design when you work a top-down cardigan. So this is the shoulders. Got a little shaping at the back neck so that the neck doesn't hang too low. And I'll tell you more about it as I go. When I get to the tricky spots, I'll make little videos about what to do. So I showed you how to do the double increase at these 4 spots. That gives you 8 new stitches every right side row. Thanks for watching.